Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on Python variables. So I'm in my VS Code. I just have a blank folder inside my VS Code, and I'm going to open up a file here on the left side of my Explorer tab, and I will say hello_python.py to represent a Python file. Now here I could start typing Python code. I can use my print statement and say hello Python, and here you can see it there. And if I pressed Shift, Command, and P, you can see that first and that I've recently used is Python colon, run Python terminal and file. And you can see, hello Python. So let's build a variable. This is our print statement, of course. This lets us see what we're doing. I'm going to close this Explorer tab. A variable in Python, we can name anything in the world we want. So I can quite literally say anything here. And all I want to do is assign it to, I could do a string value. And a string value is basically the computer letting us freehand or write anything I want in the computer. This is what a string value is. Well, we could do anything. We can also do right. We could do a number value. We could also do booleans, so true and false. These are the three types of types that we have. We have string, we have boolean, and there's more, but these are going to be your main types. We have integer, we have floats, and we also have dictionaries, tuples. There's more, but the three main ones. I mean, there's also a none value. But these are what variables can be. Is we're declaring a name here. So the name could be anything you want. You could type anything you want here. And this equal sign is just assigning it. It's not actually equals. It's saying I'm assigning this to this statement right here. So if I take this big old random letter bit that's representing a variable and I put it in here, and if I run this Python file, we'll see it actually print out this. So let's go ahead and try that. Python run file. And you can see it says, hello Python, even though this is a bunch of gibberish. I'm just demonstrating that the variable can be named whatever you want. Now you want to name it something relevant to, you can see right here, it'll work as well. So you just want to name your variables something relevant to the thing you're defining, the piece of data. This is going to be the data on this side, and this is going to be the key, if you want to think of it that way. So I can go ahead and name this variable. I'll say hello string or even intro string, right? Maybe you have a file that is going to introduce people to your Python project. And here's the introduction string here. So let's try it else. Let's do a number, and we can go ahead and say 5, and we can print that in our print statement, and it'll print out 5. So boom, here we are, 5. So that's just a little bit about variables. And if I want to say Boolean here, but basically they're placeholders that we can describe whatever piece of data we want. So you can see, boom, the true value pops out here. But if I wanted to, again, name this as a string value of any, let's say, some random statement, I can say, hello, this is a random statement, and even add a bunch of random stuff after. And this variable is still going to print here, hello, this is a random state me, and all the gibberish after. So this is going to be our data on the right side, whether it's a number, a string, or a Boolean, or some data type like that. And then on the left side, this is going to be our variable. And in the middle, these are called assignment operators. This equals is not really an equals, it's assigning is what it's doing actually. So we're taking a variable and we're assigning it this value here is how it's working. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that's informative. Thank you guys for watching.